Now let's see how to customize this template. First of all, wish you a happy Valentine's Day. You can download this template from the link in description. Only subscribed users can download this. Now we change the first text of this template. Click on Text 1 Composition, and change the text. I am writing I miss you. Now we are going to see the output. Now we change the second text. Click on Text 2 Composition, and change the text. I am writing, Happy Valentine's Day to my love. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Now press R for rotation. And change rotation to -7.8. Now we are going to see the output. As you can see, it is very easy to customize. Now our animation look like this. You can also replace the text with the image. Now we are going to change the heart color, by click on Control Layer. And change the value of master hue. I hope this template will help you spread love all over the world on this Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day once again to all. See you in next tutorial.